All right, guys, here's just a quick tutorial on this vacation checklist that I made. Head on over to scmath.org and go down to resources and spreadsheets. I'll also put the link to this in the comment section. But if you scroll down here, you'll find this vacation planning checklist. Now, make sure you are signed into Google. All right. And what you'll do here, if you have just viewing rights, you're going to want to come up to File and then make a copy for yourself. And rename this something better than copy of, um, and then throw it in your Google Drive and hit OK. Now it's pretty straightforward after this. Um, I wouldn't go and make a copy of this every time you go on vacation. You're going to find two different template sheets down here at the bottom. And one is a simple list, that's this one, and the one's a little bit more complex with more columns and things like that. So what I would do is if I'm going camping this weekend, I'll come down here to the template, click on this little arrow, and go to duplicate. All right, and we are, actually I'll drag this over to the left. We're actually heading out to Ricketts Glen this weekend, so I'm going to put Ricketts Glen 2020. And now in here, you can uncheck these boxes. In this first column here is where you're going to put any food and drink. And if you know your grocery store well, you can put the aisle over there and it'll sort it in this column N. All right. And then you have supplies, clothing, and before leaving. And then you have this as a reference. Okay. Next time you want to go camping, come back to the template, duplicate that sheet, and then rename it and move it wherever you want. All right.